lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, die, yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side, yeah. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, die, yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side, yeah.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Happy first day in Hawaii. Y'all, the jet lag is real. It's 5 hours behind Jersey time, so I'm tired. So I just had some cereal, I had a banana, and I'm drinking some green tea. So I'm gonna show you guys what we do later. I don't know yet. Maybe a hike today, maybe just going around on the beach. Yeah, but I'll come at y'all later. Okay, y'all, I'm all ready. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick OOTD. So Shein from head to toe, and got my hoop earrings, 1993 glasses, and then I'm gonna walk around with a fanny pack. Oh, hey. Yeah, fanny pack, and yeah. Slip back. Okay, so today we're just gonna be out and about, celebrating Bae's sister's birthday. So whatever she wants to do, that's what we're gonna do. So we'll see.
We don't really show no love. They ain't from where I'm from. Don't know where I come from. No upline I come on. No upline I come from. Yeah. Shout out to the girl, them boy, them all of my people, them chop. Yeah. Come to my city, you see that we get to that money non-stop. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try.
Okay, y'all, so we were taking a walk, and let me show you the view. Look at the mountain. It's windy. But the view though. Okay, y'all, so this is the gym area. Here's a mirror. I'm not working out, but guess who is? This guy. So yeah, got a whole bunch of like elliptical machine things, and then some weights over there, little bouncy balls, and all these stuff that I don't know about. Yeah, so maybe tomorrow I'll gym, but not today. And behind me, I don't know if y'all can see, there's a pool. Yeah, this place is really nice, y'all. I'm just here for moral support.
We don't really show no love.
Jasmine's birthday.
Don't get into that. Don't let it try not to. It was just such a part of my life, you know what I mean?
So we're both tired.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. It's like, what, 5 o'clock?
But I'm grateful.
I didn't go to
You know how grateful I'm that y'all are here.
So she don't know grateful I am.
It's like 6:30 right now in Hawaii, but it's like almost 11:27.
Yeah, it's 11 our time, so.
She's ready up. She's like, I'm ready up.
Which one of those? This is mine.
What is the flower?
She's out there. Salad, poke bowl.
You eat that, you're gonna hallucinate.
Here you go. So we just left the restaurant. Door fire. It was hot. Did you like your food?
I just had a salad because I didn't really care for the food.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had better salad in Jersey.
Same. I got the Kahlua pork tacos. It was alright. Nothing special. So now we're heading home because we getting sleepy.
But you know what's good? Panda Express.
Yeah, Panda Express was pretty good. So yeah, guys. TTYL. Hey y'all. Good morning. Happy Thursday. So I figured I'd give you guys a tour of our beach villa slash resort. So we're staying at the beach villas at Olina Resort. And yeah, so it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom resort. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys around. Okay, so we'll start off when you walk in. So this is the front door right here. So when you walk in, there's a dining table. And excuse the mess, y'all. I have this little table over here. This beautiful kitchen island. I love kitchen islands, y'all. So we have dishwasher. And it's 2 levels to it. They provide us with the soap. They have the sink. They give us utensils and everything. What's in here? More things we need. Turn around over here. Oh wait, let me go over here. So we have the fridge. So they allowed us to order things ahead of time. Like they asked if we need anything, so they stocked the fridge for us. And then there's a freezer over here with ice storage. Going over here, they gave us knives. They gave us everything we need. Glasses. So yeah, electric stove. There's the oven. They gave us a electronic kettle, coffee maker. Gave us a toaster. They even have like seasonings. You know, not the kinds that we use, but look at this microwave, y'all. This is the most fancy microwave I've ever seen in my life. I haven't used it yet, but it's nice. Another storage thing. So come out here. So the patio, y'all. Walk out, couch, everything. Beautiful. And then they gave us a whole bunch of beach stuff over here that we can use. So this is the family room slash common area. This couch is pull apart. So this is where Bae sleeps. And then a big TV. We have cable and stuff like that. Okay, so let's make our way down the hallway. So this is the half bathroom. Nothing too fancy, just the toilet and then the sink. Still my PJs, hashtag Shein. Come over here. This is another heat pump. Walk over here. Excuse the mess, but this is the first full bathroom. So we have a sink, toilet, and then there's shower, the shower head. Really deep tub. One thing about here, they have really deep tubs. This is my room. This is the other room. I don't want to look too deep into it, but yeah. So this is the other room. Has a TV, closet. They have walk-in closets. So they gave us a washer and a dryer. So there's stuff going right now. So we come in here. This is the other full bedroom. So I think this is a master bedroom, actually. So huge walk-in closet. So we have double sink, deep bathtub as well, separate toilet, and separate shower. So this is where Bae's parents are at. Oh, and they also have a patio out there. So yeah, that was my quick little tour of our villa. Really nice. Yeah, so this is where we'll be staying for the next, I think 5 more nights we have. We came on Tuesday night and we're leaving Wednesday morning. So yeah, so right now Bay is taking his exam for one of his classes, so his family went ahead to the beach. The beach is just like straight across, like a walk, so it's not too far. So once he's done with that, we're gonna change and then meet them over there. So yeah, today's, I think today we're just doing like, you know, the beach. We might explore around, but then I know we also might do a hike. Bay's brother might take us on a hike because he lives in Hawaii, so he knows here better than we do. So I'll catch y'all when I'm done dressing.
Like, it looks like a circle there, circle there, circle there, circle there. Then like closer to the rocks, that area, it's like darker blue.
Maybe there's rocks there, or?
It's just like the pool.
You're talking right here, right?
Yeah.
Aloha, y'all. So, we're currently at the beach at the resort. I didn't swim because, you know, I can't swim. They hopped in, as you'll see in the video. Yeah, so we're just walking around. Yeah, it's hot though. It's really hot. I'd rather go in the pool than...
We used to go in the pool.
Yeah, because that one's actually 3 feet, so, you know, I can stand in it. So. Yeah. Beautiful day. Good time to go.
You guys gonna go to the pool?
No.
Oh, I should have brought that.
Hey.
I wonder when the camera's there.
Hey guys, so we're currently going on a hike. Bay's brother's taking us. We're at Lanikai Pillbox. So I'm gonna show you guys the mountain. Yeah, I can see that right there. That is the mountain. That is the mountain we're gonna be going up.
You want the bamba?
You want to chew
with the big bugs?
So we got our, you know, our hiking gear. So let's see how this goes, y'all. Because I am not a workout person.
That person didn't want a bamba.
A
few moments later.
Hey y'all. Hopefully you can hear me, but we came hiking and I couldn't make it all the way to the top. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's very, very steep. And I already slipped up a little. And I'm not trying to go all the way down this mountain, okay? So I'm tired. I mean, I hate to be the party pooper of the group and not complete the full thing, but I also value my life. So let me show you guys the view. Go up a little bit so y'all can see. Isn't that beautiful? I'm just wondering how we gonna get all the way back down. Hey y'all, your girl made it to the top of the mountain. Oh, the tippity top.
She did a great job. It was very steep.
I was gonna do it, but I prayed and then tried, so. Y'all, I'm on top of the mountain. Look at the view. Woo.
We don't really show no love. They ain't from where I'm from. Don't know where I come from. Now upline I come on. Now upline I come from. Yeah. Shout out to the girl, them boy, them.
How's it feel?
Feels great. Had some challenges, but we did did it together.
We did it.
Made some friends along the way.
Yes, just gotta make it back down now. Y'all, we made it down. Praise God. Look at this guy. Hey. Y'all.
We did it.
I wanted to give up, but God. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. He's a way maker. Miracle worker. Promise keeper.
Save lives.
He's a light in the darkness. My God. That's who he is, okay? Because, listen. But yeah, we did it. Oh, Jesus. Jasmine, what did you think of the thing?
I would probably do it again.
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, this is my first and last time, okay?
But wear boots.
Yes.
Wear boots because sneakers you be slipping. There was some places going up, they were like flip flops. I was like, man.
Right. In case y'all were wondering, that was the mountain we climbed. That on top of there, that's where we were. Okay? All right.
Gotta live to die, yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side.
So before we headed home, we came to, I think it's called a Poly Lookout. It had a longer name, Poly something lookout. Yeah, but look at the views from Hawaii are so nice, y'all. So beautiful. It's very windy here. Kind of chilly. You'll see, y'all. God's wonder. Happy Friday. So we're out with the family today. We're at Bishop Museum. I believe it's in Honolulu. So supposedly it's a really nice museum. I think they have an aquarium as well. All about the history of Hawaii. So we're here with Faye, his sister, his parents. So yeah, let's make it do what it do.
From where I'm from, don't know where I come from. Now upline I come on. Now upline I come from. Yeah. Shout out to the girl, them boy, them all of my people, them chop. Yeah. Come to my city and you see that we get to the money non stop. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, cause it's die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. Fair change. We don't really show no love. We don't really show no love. They ain't from where I'm from. Don't know where I come from. Now upline I come from. Now upline I come on. Yeah. It's always a vibe whenever we slide, yeah. When I'm with the guys, the girls on my side, yeah. No love, cause it's a lie, yeah. Can't trust, but I try. Need that, gotta live, die, yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love.
Think of the museum so far.
It's a lot of rich heritage, and it's like, wow, a lot of different culture.
Yeah. And I'm convinced that they got a lot of black in them. But
Yeah.
different mix, like
Thanks.
Filipino, I see some Native American and like the faces. What is that?
You should see this.
That was kind of scary, hold up.
They're the Kamehameha brothers.
Mm-hmm.
But let me see. This dude right here. Look at him with the swag.
Mm-hmm.
And the facial picture though?
There you go. Mm-hmm.
He's like, yeah.
So yeah, they definitely got some black in the whole crowd. Hey y'all. So we just finished eating at the cafe at the museum. As you can see. So now we're gonna take some more pictures. Probably had somewhere else up. So we're currently at Island Country Market. And look at this store.
I got a shirt for...
So we got a whole bunch of like souvenir stuff for family.
Got a yellow one.
And then I also got some stuff for myself. I got shirts, keychains, bracelets.
But if I could find a hoodie.
Here. Yeah, so
Not here.
now we're heading out.
I seen
Before we buy everything.
for ladies, but you guys.
Yeah, I didn't like things in there. Sounds good. So we're on this strip by the resort. We're hungry. Well, I'm not really hungry, but some of us are hungry. So this place is called Monkey Pub Kitchen. So
Not here. Yeah, I told you.
we're just looking around.
I don't have to. We can check out on the front. And my dad has to walk.
He has a tone and a walk when he's hungry.
He walks with purpose in every step of his hand.
Okay.
One step closer to the monkey.
So we're in a poke bowl place. Tropic poke. This is raw? They're all raw? No, this is oh, okay. Everything else out there is raw. Oh, okay. Soul food? Oh. I'm like, what? I'm also without it, but I'm like, I miss my boo. Okay, y'all. Hot tub. So nice. Yeah, I'd rather this than the pool.
I can't get the Hawaiian name. We were on the beach, it was cloudy. I mean, it would be sun cloud. But here it's like all open.
Say cheese.
Yeah.
Is it taking?
Nice meeting you all.
Hi.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
It's a video. Gang, gang. Oh, wait.
Right?
We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try.
Aloha, guys. So, we just watched the sunset. I didn't catch it on video, but I'm gonna get it one of these days. There's still some more days to catch the sunset and the sunrise, but
He's swallowing the birds.
Hawaii's beautiful. Mr. Hungry.
What?
But yeah. Aloha. There's a guy singing in the background. It's good. Okay. Happy Saturday.
Further down.
So, we're at the Dole Plantation. That's where they make bananas and stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
You get the fit? Fit from head to toe from Shein.
Oh,
Hashtag
snap.
China.
Oh my gosh.
Alrighty.
Oh yeah, they do pineapple as well.
Yeah, okay, because I'm like, I feel like I've had cup fruit from Dole.
Yeah, like fruit cups.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a farmer's market. Pineapple garden maze.
So you can do the train, you can do the garden maze, and then you can also do the
You know, it's like so right over there.
There?
Yeah. There's a pineapple garden maze. It's the world's largest maze. I don't even know if we're gonna go in because then you get lost.
We're not trying to get lost today.
Yeah.
But it would be cool to do. You're like, nah.
Like, man, we still have like 4 more days of vacation. I'm trying to enjoy it somewhere else.
Not
I'm already
stuck
hungry
here.
enough.
For real. Ooh, guys.
Ooh, look at this.
Tiki. Tiki.
We already had one of them.
Oh.
For baseball.
Ooh, that's
Where are the parents? Oh, they're there. We can always see daddies in orange.
Shut it down. There's still in COVID like protocol for the trains. Even though if they were more lax in the area, they still haven't done anything with the trains.
Pork,
Because they still need to be maintained. They're really old trains though.
and you got the
Teriyaki chicken.
But Marley and I went to one of the display trains.
Oh, I got the teriyaki chicken too. It tastes real good.
really fish and chips.
And juicy.
I was thinking about that.
Well, not for these.
Well, this is the train. Oh, it's diesel.
Hiya. So we're on the pineapple, on the Ohana Express.
Ohana means family.
Family means nobody gets left
Behind.
or forgotten. That was a So yeah, it's basically like a train thingy going on, and they got different like sections. So we're in the top car. So yeah, it should be nice. So they're showing different fruits that they grow. Banana. Everything looks kind of dried up though. Over here, there's not much. That's kind of pretty though. Y'all, look at the pineapples. I can't be the only one who didn't know how pineapples looked when they were growing. Very interesting.
I never knew pineapple too.
Exactly. I was just saying that.
I had no idea. No. I was just sure if it was like on a, not a vine, but like maybe a tree or something.
I thought they grew on trees or something.
Yeah, like you go and like take it off or something. Yeah, that's great.
So we got some Dole Whip. And he got his dipping chocolate melting. Want to try it?
Yeah.
It's easier to try it. How would you describe it?
You know what? When we go up to the North Coast, there'll probably be some.
Chocolate on the outside. Chocolate on the outside. Like pineapple in a kind of creamy, frosty way.
I don't know how I feel.
It's sorbet.
I got mine with coconut. I actually like it. Mine is the mango ice cream. Yeah.
Look at what she's wearing.
You ate yours fast.
Well, we had them.
Oh, together. Okay. If I had known it was this big, I would have shared.
But it's sorbet, so it's not like as filling.
Mark, yours is
And
amazing.
it's not non-dairy.
I've never seen that with that like a saucer under it.
Because they already know it's going to get drippy.
You want to try some?
Sure.
It's not necessarily an original, but I added like vanilla ice cream on the bottom.
You fancy.
Are you on a video or you took a picture?
That's a video.
Huh?
The whole room.
Video? Can you take a picture?
Mm-hmm. That's good.
You gonna drive?
Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. We don't really show no love.
Aloha, y'all. Happy Sunday. So as you can see, we finished working out. So today's just gonna be a chill day. Bay found a church, so me and his parents are gonna go check it out, see how the churches are over here. So yeah, I might not vlog a lot today just because I wanted to take a chill day of just not pulling out my phone and being like, oh, I have to get this. But if I do see something good, most likely I will, but I'm gonna try not to vlog. But yeah, so tomorrow we're supposed to be going to Pearl Harbor. Check that out. I don't think I'm gonna go to a luau before we leave just because the pricing here is ridiculous for luau. It's like $125 per person. It was the cheapest one we found, and we felt like, you know, that time could be spent, or that money could be spent doing multiple things instead of just one. I know when you come to Hawaii, like, that's the main thing. Oh, luau, like, you know, but like, there'll probably be another Hawaii trip. Like, you know, this isn't our last time coming to Hawaii, so yeah. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and yeah, show you how the rest of the day goes. So we're here at First Assembly.
Giving, it is because of the
All right, so we just left the church service. We came to the sun over there, the First Assembly of God. Leonard?
Leonard, yeah.
Yeah, so what do you think of this?
It's by the Makakilo Elementary School.
Wait, guys, look at their view. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Mahalo.
See?
What was this called?
Musubi.
Musubi is like
oh yeah, we got some musubi from the
rice,
church people.
Spam,
and
wrapped in seaweed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a Hawaiian sushi in a way.
Yeah, like a big sushi roll. But what do you think of the service?
I like that they were, the people were very welcoming. They feel like family. So it was nice.
Yeah, and there was a couple of people from New Jersey, actually from Baystown. Yeah. Well, she originally from Neptune.
Okay.
But she said she also lived in Newark, so.
Yeah, there's a guy that lived Neptune, then went to school at Mama's University.
Where his mom went.
The town over from me, Long Branch. So.
Yeah, so.
It's very nice.
People from Jersey everywhere, yeah. Worldwide, small world.
We got some New Jerseyans up here, you know what I'm saying?
So yeah, now we're gonna head to get some food. Probably won't show it, like I said. I'm gonna give myself a vlogging break, but I wanted to show you guys, you know, came to church. Okay. Hey guys, so I know I said I wasn't gonna record, but we got some food from Tropic Poke. So I got the fried shrimp tempura. Came with the creamy, spicy sauce and the tempura sauce. And then what you get?
I got yellowtail and like some spicy mayo sauce, and, crab, some avocado, some ginger, some seaweed. I was actually gonna start eating, but then she was like, "Let's record." I'm like,
I'm like, wait, we're trying something new, so might as well. Let me.
Okay, I can eat, right?
Wait. Okay, so we're going with the shrimp first. Ready? You can start.
Okay. So like 5 minutes. It's good.
The sauce tastes like Thousand Island. With a little kick to it. We'll try the tempura sauce. It's good. I like the tempura sauce.
Sushi rice.
Oh yeah. Yeah, sushi rice with lime, pineapple corn, edamame. And I think this is fried vegetable, right? I didn't ask what kind of vegetable. It looks like maybe seaweed. Carrots, maybe? You're like, I'm eating now.
What? That's none of my business.
Guys, so we got macaroon ice cream. I got the vanilla. What'd you get?
I got strawberry.
Yeah, so we're about to try it out and see what it do. It's like mini cute ice cream sandwiches. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. The cookie kind of tastes like a mint a little bit. Not like strong mint, but and there's strawberry on the inside.
I wasn't expecting the cookie to be hard.
No.
I was expecting like a ice cream sandwich.
No. It's pretty good.
Interesting. So yeah, now I'm officially gonna stop vlogging for today because it's bedtime. But just wanted to let you guys know how the macaron ice cream is pretty good. Not too sweet, which is good. I don't like when things are too sweet. Aloha everyone. So we're at Pearl Harbor. So we're gonna take a look around and see what it do. It's the fit. The mustard shirt.
Oh my goodness.
Of life. Wow.
They want to charge you, that's why.
Trying to see if we can go on the submarine. It's hot. It's a hot day. Y'all, look at the submarine ship. Got the names of the different submarines when they launched. Oh, this one got lost at sea. That's crazy. And the people who are on. So I'm seeing all the ones they have labeled got lost at sea. Cisco. See you, Joe. So we're in the Pearl Harbor gift shop slash bookstore. Lots of souvenir stuff. Are you gonna get a shirt or something? December 6th. 1941. It's a long time ago. But I think it happened in like the 70s.
We don't really show no love. They ain't from where I'm from. Don't know where I come from. No upline I come from. No upline I come on. Yeah. It's always a vibe whenever we slide. Yeah. When I'm with the guys, the girls on my side. No love, cause it's a lie. Yeah. Can't trust, but I try. I need that, gotta live, die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah.
Hey guys, Well, as you can see, we visited a lot of the free spots. It's a lot of history. It's crazy. Like the bombing, and it's just scary. I'd be terrified if I was around in those times. Right, Drew?
Oh, that's some crazy stuff. Nations against nations, or I mean, back then, I think that's when the draft was. So sometimes you'd have to go in the military against your own will. If not, you'd go to prison.
Yeah.
To fight a war that.
Yeah, that's what happened to Muhammad Ali, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, he got drafted, but he rejected drafting, and then he fought it in like court for like the next 2 or 3 years, because I think he did a religious objection. And plus he was like, you know, ain't no Viet Cong ever called me N-word.
Oh, true.
So
it makes sense though.
like there's places over here I can't even go on the beach.
Yeah, so why help
stuff.
you out?
Yeah.
Facts, all facts.
Like practice freedom.
So now we're doing the walk of remembrance. It's just like a long pathway.
You see the ships out there?
Yeah, they got ships out. Yeah. Bay's parents went on the submarine. The last time we saw them, they kind of split from the group. So we'll find them eventually.
Yeah, because it was like $22 just to walk on a submarine. I'm like,
okay,
ain't no problem with that. I'm just not
it's
I'm
not
paying
worth
for
it.
that.
It's not worth it. Yeah. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So we first went to Island Country Market to get some more souvenirs for family, and now we're at Black Sheep Cream Co. Ooh. Thank you. So yeah, we got some ice cream.
What kind is that?
This is the Let There Be cake. So it's cream cheese cream with red velvet chocolate chip cake. Ooh, 1 scoop. See, 1 scoop is big.
Yeah. That's a good scoop.
And what'd you get?
I got the chocolate wasted, dark, rich, and decadent.
Oh yeah.
Chocolate.
In a cone. So I'm gonna flip this so you guys can see the menu. That's the menu right there. So they're making days right now. It's a cute little shop. It's all like in the same plaza. Alright guys, first scoop. Go on.
So, we got ice cream because Ruby worked out yesterday and today, but had like a challenge and she did really good with like the pull downs and stuff like that. So
He was trying to kill me off. No, it's not.
I was just trying to challenge her a little bit, and she responded pretty well. So I'm like, oh,
treat me with ice cream.
I'll get you some ice cream.
Perfect gift after a workout. What does yours taste like? Good chocolate. Yeah. So yeah.
Dark, rich, decadent.
I like the red velvet cake part. Okay. You wanna try some?
Sorry, I'm just enjoying this. It tastes so good.
Make sure you get the cake. You good, right?
Well.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're about to eat. Just wanted to let you guys know. Don't know if I'm gonna vlog anything else today. Today's actually the day before we leave. We leave tomorrow night, so.
They also make the waffle cone right in front of you, so until you order it, the waffle cone is not made, and then they made it, and like the waffle cone is like pretty hot.
Oh, it's dripping on the bottom.
I better eat it.
Come on.
All right, guys. Y'all, we were eating. I saw some ruffling, and look.
Just out here chilling in the middle of the day.
Popped out of the bushes. And we had our stuff on the, you know, the ground. I was like, nah, I pay good money for my stuff. It's coming home with me. Not getting stolen by a chicken. Although, it would make a good story.
They out here roosting at 4 o'clock in the morning,
For real.
in the afternoon.
Looking for the fresh. Look at it.
Yeah, you know Hawaii's. Someone said Hawaii's national animal is like a chicken or something like that. But yo, what you saying?
It's about to steal our ice cream, y'all. Like, I see the eyes.
Yeah, yo, you got that ice cream, bro? You want some ice cream? I'm like, oh.
All right, y'all.
He's waiting for you.
All your toys?
Aloha, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Last day in Hawaii. We leave tonight.
He was saying.
So we got some Starbucks for breakfast. We got the mango dragon fruit refreshers. We got the grande. I got the tall. Got some oatmeal, and then we both got
blueberry in it.
We both got some breakfast sandwiches. So yeah, probably won't be vlogging much today because we're on the go a lot. Yeah, but our flight's not till like nighttime, so we still have a good amount of the day to enjoy Hawaii. Look at that over.
They try to be like McDonald's,
but more expensive. Okay. All right, guys. Bon appetit. Aloha, everyone. So we're at the Aloha Studio. They have like a flea market type vibe, or swap meet is what they call it. So, show you guys right there. But I'll show you once we get in. Woo. It's hot though. Hot man, listen. Okay, guys. So, ooh. We got some cute stuff. Jewelry, backpacks. I like that 2-piece set right there. That's actually cute. How much is it? We should have came here, boo. 6 for $20 shirts. Did you hear? 6 for $20 shirts. Wow. We should have came here first. We didn't know. They got backpack stuff. This is a nice little vibe. Alright, y'all. I couldn't resist. I got that lavender set right there. It was too cute. Okay. We move. Y'all, there's so many nice stuff. There's some jewelry from my mommy. If we had known, we should have came here first instead of the ABC stores. So, boo, what do you think about this place so far?
This is my nephew, by the way.
Yeah, ain't no babies over here. What do you think?
It's good because, you know, I found a deal with hoodies. I was looking for hoodies, even though it's Hawaii. I'm like, we're going back to the winter, and I just like hoodies.
Yeah.
And I got 2 hoodies for $30.
Is that an outfit?
Good designs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. I'm not in English now.
Yo, it's so nice. I'm like, I wish we came here first. 6 shirts for $20. Y'all, we bought 2 shirts at the Island Country Market for like $30. Crazy. They have little jewelry boots too.
Earrings?
Ooh, that's pretty.
Oval ones.
Where's the other one?
But there's round ones.
Aloha. Guys, look at this. Isn't it pretty? Especially the turtle and the tiger.
$30. Thank you.
Like I said before, y'all, I'm in love with this place. Like, it's amazing.
Oh no,
It's amazing. And I got Bay of Seahawks mask.
you seen the elephant one?
Which one?
The bottom one.
Bottom one. Oh, yeah.
I saw that.
That one's pretty too. Guys, I'm in love. I'm gonna say 50 million times. If you come to Hawaii, I believe we're still in Honolulu, come to Aloha Stadium. Swap meet.
Somewhere.
The North Shore. Instead of the North Face. And there was like a adobo shirt, if y'all can see. Adobo with the chicken on it. Ooh, saltwater taffy. Hey y'all, so we're going home. Well, not home, but we're leaving.
Songs in our heart.
Yeah, I stay singing. Yeah, I got that lavender set. This one? This one right here up front.
Oh, this?
Yeah, I thought it was cute, yeah.
Uh-oh.
It was between that or that black one with the pink, but I thought the purple. And they sell beach towels over here. Oh, I didn't even know there was other stores over there. And of course they got an ATM. So yeah, we're about done. I'll show you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys before we leave what I got, but yeah. Hey y'all, so we came across some food trucks. Leonard's Bakery, hot malasadas. So they're basically donuts. And they have a birria taco truck. I was wanting to try birria tacos. See, your dad is heading straight for the food. Y'all, I've been trying to try birria tacos for the longest. And these donut things.
Curry hell.
Okay. So we came to La Birria, the food truck I was showing you guys. So we got 2 birria queso packs. So it comes with 3 birria tacos, but we both got it without cheese. You know, your girls are lactose intolerant and they're trying to, you know, we got a 12-hour flight coming up, okay? So you gotta be careful. So yeah, we're gonna see how these birria tacos finally taste. I'm excited because I've been craving birria tacos since I started seeing them all over on Instagram. I'll show you the food. So we got the Leonard's donuts and the birria tacos.
I think this is cinnamon. Okay. And that's regular.
Okay.
I got regular.
Okay. So we got our Leonard's donuts, cinnamon, 2 regular, 1 cinnamon. Ow, it was hot.
Mm-hmm.
I like them.
Mm-hmm. That has like that fluffy pancake-ish on it.
Yeah. I like it.
Because I tried reheating it on the air fryer. It tasted like a hard roll.
Yeah.
It tasted like it's gonna roll.
Throw it up against the wall. Put it in there.
I was like, where's my salad?
So he's gonna try his birria tacos fresh. Vlog life. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's juicy. It adds more flavor to it. It's good.
A+. See that face, y'all? Okay, y'all. My turn. This is my birria tacos and my consomme. Get the juices.
Oh, no.
I'm like, Granny's always doing something. Like, in every single ad, Granny's doing something. And it's not even like that.
I like it.
You like it?
Oh, my meat fell in. Oh, that's beef stew for later.
Oh gosh. Wow, Arnold Schwarzenegger was no joke.
For real.
Bomb.com, y'all. Woo. That was good. Now I'm heading home. Well,
come from, yeah. Shout out to the girl, them boy, them all of my people, them chop. Yeah. Come to my city, you see that we get to that money non-stop. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, just die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. No love, cause it's a lie. Can't trust, but I try. Gotta live, just die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah. How you feel, church? They ain't from where I'm from. Don't know where I come from. No upline I come from. No upline I come on. Yeah. It's always a vibe whenever we slide. Yeah. When I'm with the guys, the girls on my side. No love, cause it's a lie. Yeah. Can't trust, but I try. I need that, gotta live, die. Yeah. And we don't really show no love on my side. We don't really show no love on my side. Yeah.